Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 2 on a Dino project. So for task number 2, it says, on the 2020 sales worksheet, perform a multi-level sort. Sort the table dinosaur A to Z, then by total sales, largest to smallest. So how you would do that task is first, highlight and then go over to editing. Under sort and filter, click on the drop down arrow, do a custom sort. From there, you add a level. First, you sort it by dinosaur from A to Z, that is correct. Then from the total sales, it says smallest to largest, but we need largest to smallest. Click OK. As you can see, the total row got sorted as well too. So from there, you highlight it. You drag it back down. You see that extra space right there? Just click on it, and then from there, just click delete sheet row. Nothing else got affected, and there you have it. You have completed task number 2.